Elma.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Happiness Bootcamp
Thank
version
you.
2.
Thank
And
you.
how's it been so far?
It has been incredible.
So incredible India, incredible Happiitude.
Incredible both India
Okay.
and Happiitude.
Okay. And from Dubai to Mumbai, how was the journey?
Um, it's been a very exciting journey,
Okay.
interesting to put it that way.
Right?
I got to discover India and the people of
Okay.
India. And this by itself created an experience for me even before the Happiitude Bootcamp.
So would you describe this entire journey as a good beginning to the journey to happiness?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
It's discovering happiness actually along
Right.
the way.
Right. And what's been that one or two takeaways from the program for you?
If we were to discuss the program, I would say that the main takeaways are it's never too late to instill this culture of happiness in the organization, no matter how small or big the organization is, no matter how established it is or new. So whenever we have the will to inject happiness and to make those little changes to create this culture where people actually would want to show up to work rather than have to come to work, I
Right.
think we are all responsible of doing that.
And I believe you represent the retail industry.
Correct.
So how relevant would the 3 days learnings be to your industry?
It is definitely relevant. And I think the learnings are regardless of the industry that we are operating in. It's more of whether the company values its employees, the well-being of its employees, and creating a culture where employees want to thrive and perform. So this is applicable to any industry and not only exclusive to any particular interest.
Absolutely, I agree. So great. I wish to see you more often. Have a pleasant and safe journey
Thank you,
back.
Jaya.
And thank you so much for joining
Thank
us.
you, Jaya, and thank you for the entire Happiitude team for your efforts
Most welcome.
in ensuring that we have a happy experience in India.
Definitely. That's what we're here for.
Yeah.
So it's Elma signing off, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.